Tesla might be about to enter one of the most explosive phases we've seen in years. And if you own the stock or the car, what happens next could change everything. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Ken, and I cover everything happening in the world of Tesla, from stock moves and breaking news to the biggest strategy that's shaping the future of mobility. Today's video is a big one. We're diving deep into the most important updates right now, from tax credit deadlines that could spike Q3 deliveries, to bold new forecasts for Tesla's production scale, to Cathie Wood's Robotaxi predictions that could redefine the company entirely. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of where Tesla is right now, why this moment matters so much, and where the company is heading next. Alright, let's jump straight into it. 1. The critical moment. EV tax credit deadline approaches. One of the biggest catalysts for Tesla in the short term is happening right now in the United States. The $7,500 federal EV tax credit deadline. Here's why this matters. If you place your Tesla order before September 30th, you'll still qualify for the $7,500 credit even if your delivery happens in October or later. And that's driving what analysts are calling a wave of last-minute demand, something that could significantly boost Q3 delivery numbers. According to a new report from TipRanks, Wall Street's expectations for Tesla's Q3 deliveries range between 447,000 and 472,000 vehicles. But many analysts believe we could see a surprise to the upside thanks to this surge in orders. And that's not the only factor at play. Tesla recently introduced a refreshed Model Y, which is expected to further stimulate demand while also optimizing its factory production lines to boost output. In other words, Tesla isn't just relying on external demand incentives, it's combining policy timing, new product momentum, and manufacturing efficiency into a powerful Q3 push. 2. The bigger picture, 2 million cars per year on the horizon. While the short-term focus is on deliveries, the real story is what happens after Q3. Analysts now believe Tesla is on track to surpass 2 million annual deliveries by 2026, a huge leap from today's numbers, and a milestone that would fundamentally change Tesla's position in the global auto market. What's driving that growth? 3 major forces. 1. New models expanding market reach. Tesla's lineup is about to become more diverse, including more affordable vehicles, which means they'll tap into customer segments they haven't fully reached before. 2. Production efficiency gains. Gigafactories are expanding, and Tesla is implementing new manufacturing processes to shorten production cycles and increase throughput. Faster builds mean more cars and more revenue. 3. Global EV adoption surge. Governments are pushing EV incentives harder than ever, and Tesla's edge in charging infrastructure, brand strength, and software integration positions it to dominate this wave. Put together, those 3 drivers make 2 million annual deliveries not a dream, but a realistic waypoint on Tesla's growth trajectory. And that scale brings not just revenue growth, but also margin expansion and recurring software revenue, fundamentally transforming Tesla's business model. 3. The game changer, Robotaxis, redefining Tesla's value. But if there's one part of Tesla's future that could completely rewrite its valuation, it's Robotaxis. ARK Invest CEO Cathie Wood has been saying it for years. Self-driving technology will restructure the entire automotive industry. And according to ARK's latest models, up to 90% of Tesla's market cap by 2030 could come from the Robotaxi business alone. They project Tesla stock could reach $2,600 by 2029, with a bearish case of $2,000 and a bullish scenario as high as $3,100. The reason: Robotaxis transform Tesla's cars from one-time sales into revenue-generating assets. Once deployed, a single autonomous vehicle can generate income for years, a shift from selling products to delivering recurring services. And this isn't just theory. In 2025, Tesla officially launched its Robotaxi service in Austin, Texas. It's still an invite-only pilot for now, but it's a major step toward full-scale deployment. When Robotaxis go mainstream, Tesla will no longer just be a car company, it will be a mobility platform, competing not just with automakers, but also with Uber, Lyft, and future transportation networks. Beyond passengers, the autonomous freight revolution. And while everyone's focused on robotaxis for people, there's another frontier that could be even bigger: autonomous freight. In September 2025, Cathie Wood's RKQ ETF invested in a newly listed autonomous trucking company called Kodiak AI, ticker KDK, acquiring over 784,000 shares worth about $416,000. Kodiak went public via a SPAC merger on September 25th with a valuation of $2.5 billion. What makes Kodiak different is its focus. While most companies chase passenger robotaxis, Kodiak is targeting long-haul freight transport, a sector with enormous economic potential. Their Kodiak driver autonomy stack is already being tested in real-world logistics environments, including operations in the Permian Basin with Atlas Energy. They're also deploying Roush-built trucks and integrating remote support systems from Vey, allowing seamless human intervention in complex low-speed scenarios. Why does this matter? Because the global logistics industry is worth trillions. Self-driving freight can slash delivery times, cuts costs, and keep trucks on the road 24/7, potentially transforming the global supply chain. Cathie Wood's investment signals a broader vision. The autonomous future isn't just about moving people, it's about moving goods. And with Tesla's Semi already in production, it's clear the company is positioning itself to compete here too. What to watch as a Tesla investor or owner? So, what does all this mean if you're invested in Tesla or just following the company closely? Here are the 3 key things to watch right now. 1. Q3 delivery numbers. The upcoming delivery report will show the impact of the EV tax credit deadline and the refreshed Model Y. A significant beat could fuel a short-term rally in the stock. 2. 2026 production trajectory. The path to 2 million annual deliveries is one of the strongest long-term bullish signals for Tesla. Watch for factory expansions, new product announcements, and efficiency breakthroughs. 3. Robotaxi and autonomous freight growth. This is the next frontier. Robotaxi pilots are already running, and autonomous freight is emerging as a massive opportunity. Together, they could redefine Tesla's revenue streams and multiply its valuation over the next decade. Tesla is evolving far beyond an automaker. It's building the backbone of future transportation, a platform that combines hardware, software, infrastructure, and services into one ecosystem. That's why understanding these strategic moves is critical for any investor today. Personally, I think Cathie Wood is absolutely right about the logistics revolution. The question now isn't if it happens, but who leads it. Will Tesla dominate both passenger and freight automation? Or will companies like Kodiak become household names? Either way, the autonomous era is coming, and it's coming fast. And before we wrap up, Tesla's stock is trading around $443 today, up from recent lows, and momentum could keep building as we move into Q4. That's it for today's deep dive. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps support the channel. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications because we cover every major Tesla story every single week. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, enjoy the ride and enjoy living the Tesla life. See you in the next one. Before we wrap up, let me take a moment to introduce myself. I drive a Tesla Model Y, and at home, I've installed a Tesla Powerwall, so I actually charge my car with solar energy. I truly believe Tesla is shaping the future, and that's why I share the latest news and insights here on this channel. I'm from Japan, but I want to connect with Tesla fans all around the world. That's why I also create an English version of my videos. YouTube now lets you switch the audio into your own language, so you can enjoy it in whatever language you prefer. Most of all, I'd love to connect with Tesla fans everywhere so we can support Tesla together. I also share updates on X, so feel free to follow me there and let's connect. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.